There's a growing trend of misinformation online, with some Jamaicans boldly claiming that people in Jamaica don't pay land taxes. This is complete nonsense. Ask anyone who owns property, and they'll tell you, land tax is real, it's due every year, and if you don't pay, the government comes for you. Landowners like me have to cough up $10,000 in April every year. Miss a payment? The bill stacks up. Ignore it. You get a warning letter. Keep ignoring it. The government drags you to court. There's no escaping it. Meanwhile, some people skate by without paying a cent, yet have the most to say about how time's hard. Here's the truth. If you don't pay land taxes, you have no right to complain about bad roads or poor infrastructure. That money is supposed to help fund public services. It's always the ones who contribute nothing that make the most noise. If everyone paid their fair share, maybe the tax rate wouldn't be so high, and maybe, just maybe, Jamaica's roads wouldn't be in such a sorry state. If you're not paying, keep your complaints to yourself. The rest of us are tired of carrying the burden.